So this is how you do a stem stitch. So this can be used mainly to literally create stems of flowers. So bring your needle up through the end of the fabric, and then what you want to do is to create your first stitch. Instead of bringing it back down on the line, you're just going to take it slightly to the side and take it back through the fabric. And then bring your needle back up on the line, and again bring it just past the line on this side, and then go back and create your third stitch where the end of your first stitch sits, but to the other side of your second stitch, and pull that through, and do the same, bring it back down just off of the line, and then again bring it back up on the line where your second stitch ends, but to the other side of your third stitch, and then bring it on a little way to create your fourth stitch. Do the same thing, so bring it back up on the line and back down off of the line. So on the line and then off the line. So this is also similar to an outline stitch, but the biggest difference is that you're keeping it in the same place, so it's off the line and then back on the line. Whereas with an outline stitch, both of your stitches are on the line. I'm just going to do one more. And there you have your stem stitch.